In the last days, the mountain of the Lord's house will be established as the highest of the mountains, exalted above the hills, and all the nations will stream to it. The people will say, "Come, let us go up to the mountain of the Lord, to the house of the God of Jacob. He will teach us his ways, and we will walk in his paths. For the law will go out from Zion, and the word of the Lord from Jerusalem. He will judge between the nations and settle disputes for many peoples. They will beat their swords into plowshares, and their spears into pruning hooks. Nations will not take up sword against nation, nor will they train for war any more. Come, let us walk in the light of the Lord." Previously, we explored the Tower of Babel, an unnatural mountain built by human hands, driven by pride and ambition. Now we turn to the mountain of God, where true unity and peace are found, not through human effort, but through submission to the Creator's will. In biblical times, mountains were seen as holy places of worship. The contrast between Babel and Jerusalem asks us, who or what do we worship? The Creator or what the creature creates? This prophecy speaks of a time when God's mountain, Jerusalem, becomes the world's focus. It's a prophecy fulfilled in Jesus. His ministry and sacrifice opened the way for all nations to receive his Spirit. We see this as people hear the message in their own language, reversing Babel's confusion and uniting the nations through the power of the Holy Spirit. Join us this Sunday as we explore how Isaiah's vision can transform our lives today.